broadcasting this. Thanks for the media. Media नाहीच दाखवले आणि media नाहीच proof केले की आहे म्हणून. Thank you तुमका.
टास्क फोर्स ज्यांना जाता आणि नॅशनल NSA ऍक्ट तेंचेर घालपा जाय. This criminal basically just Greenland Sutta. Act law bailing the so his bail there was a condition that he should not do another crime. So this bail should be permanent. Criminal basically just Greenland Sutta. Act law bailing the so his bail there was a condition that he should not do another crime. So this bail should be cancelled permanently. There has to be a solution. And this case, charge sheet personally also we will monitor. We have all the opposition MLAs also. We will personally monitor this. And whatever next step or call given by the activists, I think all of us will be there in the interest of the state.
Okay, Yuri, आज आम्ही पहिले की थोडे तुमचे MLAs आहात त्यांचे वांगडा मातशे मॅन हँडलिंग जाले त्यो गजाली कितें उलोवप जाले भितर
ना तो थोडो मार आम खायल्या प्रॉब्लेम ना लोकांचे प्रॉब्लेम रिझॉल्व जावपाक जाय मेन म्हणटा ते आमी definitely there was one particular gentleman who tried to manhandle Wenzi. He was there at the forefront at the start and he was manhandled. We brought it to the notice of the SP, we brought it to the notice of the Chief Minister. I believe Amit Palekar also got some injuries. I also got a cut and whatever. See, thode cut zalmo problem na. It is our right to basically highlight issues, highlight जे पण लॉ अँड ऑर्डर सिच्युएशन आज गोंयांत जाला आणि गोंय बिहार जावचे ना UP जावचे ना म्हणून जे कायदे हाडपाक जाय जावं NSA ऍक्ट जावं टास्क फोर्स हे सगळे म्हाका दिसता पुलीस नेक्सस पॉलिटिकल नेक्सस नासतो हे जायना SPन सांगला अजून आपण इन्व्हेस्टिगेट करतलो म्हाका दिसता विदिन दिस वॉट एवर डिमांड वी हॅव पुट चीफ मिनिस्टर हॅज अश्योर्ड देम and we will take a next call based on that.
So एक तो एक्सपेंडिंग हा होय तेका टाइम लिमिट किती दिला
they have told us that 7 of them they have already arrested. They've got all 7 of them. That is what they have told us. They were not 6, they were 7. But main एंका हे डिक्टेशन दिवपी कोण हांव सदांच म्हणटा एंगलो पाय कोण हे करपाक भुरग्यां थिंग धाडपाक ते पायक पण हाडपा जायो हे पाय काडना जाल्यार काय जावपा ना सो ते मेन
आणि गोवा बंदाचो जो तुमचो
so we will take the call based on the what happens in the next few days. हालात एकदम गंभीर है हालात देखिए तो हमको लगता है कि मुख्यमंत्री ने अश्योरेंस दिया है it was the movement by activists went forward, activists were sent there, they spoke to the chief minister. There were three demands primarily that were put. One is that NSA Act should be put on these criminals. Number 2, एक task force होना है, task force to basically investigate the political nexus between criminals, because it is a clear-cut case where politicians are involved. This is because I'm saying this with responsibility, because the same attack was carried by the same gundas in Mandre. The same people were involved. In the past, the same people were threatening Ramakant Gonkar. He received calls, he received outside the court. The police didn't do anything. The police were sleeping. And third demand, the most important demand, कि जो mastermind है, उसको 24 hours के दिन में उन्होंने कहा है सबको उठा के लाएंगे. Who are heading these, who are supporting these gundas, whether they are associated in the ruling. This cannot happen. कोई आके उधर दिन दहाड़े आके डंडा लेके रॉड लेके चाकू लेके गन लेके कोई आ सकता है क्या? ओपन फेस दिखा के जो जब एक्सपोज देमसेल्व्स दिस अ मैसेज कि गोवा और एक बिहार करने का एक प्रयत्न. बिहार के मतलब लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन एंड यूपी दिस इज टर्निंग आवर this is all a connection. If you see the nexus is relating to land, the way outsiders are trying to capture the lands in the state of Goa, and definitely we will wait the next call, whatever is been given by the activists, we will make sure that we will support them.
तो CM की तरफ से क्या एश्योरेंस मिला है?
CM तो रोज एश्योरेंस देते हैं, ये पहली बात नहीं है. वो रोज एश्योरेंस देने में माहिर है और हमें लगता है कि इधर ये वो पहले की तरह एश्योरेंस नहीं चलेगी. ये लोगों को ये बाबा जी का ये दिखाना बंद करो, एक्चुअली एक्शन करो. जो अगर तुम्हारे कैबिनेट में कोई है उसको सैक करो. अगर कोई यू कैन नॉट ट्रीट लाइक, क्योंकि ये जब पहले भी सरकारें थे ऐसे, ये रामाकांत गोंडकर ने भी सब politician से बात की. It is his right. He's exercising his right. This is democracy. You might not agree to his view, but that does not mean you din dahade you bring him and you almost murder him. So the action that we have told the chief minister is assure us that this type of thing, what has happened to him, will not happen in the state of Goa.